Hey MES and RES friends, it's Mrs. Skian again. So I'm here to do another activity from our TreeHouse Engineering and Design Kit. This one is going to be 5A, so you're going to want to take out your 5A, 5B card, and we'll get started with all the materials that you'll need. So you will need actually all of the materials, everything that is in your box, other than one of these short brown pieces. So everything else should be out, and you guys have all of the stuff that you need then here in this pile. Let me tilt this down so you can see. All right, so here we go. So this is your hexagon. You'll need one of these. You'll need one of these green pieces, the large green leaf. You will need 3 of these little small leaves, not small, but the smaller ones. You will need 8 of the dark brown ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then 5 of the smaller brown ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And so this one you can put back in your box because that's the only one. And just make sure, you guys, to keep all of your stuff together because it's going to be really hard to go on to the next activity if you don't have all your stuff in your box. And it's very easy to, like, you know, for one of these pieces to go missing, or for like a dog. I know our dogs love these little tiny pieces and they tend to get a hold of them if they don't go in a box. So just make sure they go back in your box. So you have that. You have this smaller green piece that we don't know, it's kind of like a wheel. This gear. 5 of these triangular green pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you have 3 of your corner pieces, your brown corner pieces there. And then 5 of these. I kept them together because it looks like they're going to stay together anyway. So I kept these together from the last activity. And the same thing goes for my ladder. And like I had explained the last time, you're taking all of these pieces and then putting them, the smaller pieces, and putting them in between the 2 large purple pieces. But just to make sure that you put them on the right way on the 2 pieces, because each of these have the little dents in them, and you're going to want those to be able to, like, put up on your tree house so that they stay. And then we have our buddy Joe. Joe is here, and our bucket with our rope. I kept mine tied because we're also going to use this the same way as we did last. So let's start with our base. So we're going to take 4 of these dark brown pieces. Let's see if I can just put this up so you guys can see my face. Yeah, I'm still trying to get used to this dot camera, and I can't seem to, like, get it back far enough so that you guys can still see this, but you can see my face at the same time. So anyway, so bear with me. Hopefully, like, the next round of videos, you guys will, I'll have it down, and you guys will have an idea, or I will have an idea as to how to do this, so you guys can see me and see all the materials. So 4 of these. Then you need your hexagon shape, which you're going to put on the top of the 4 pieces to make your base. So there you go. There is the base. Then on the sides, you are going to put 1 smaller brown piece on and another smaller brown piece on, the lighter brown ones. So those will go on the side. And then it looks like you're going to want a longer brown piece in the middle, and then another one on the side. That's what I am seeing anyway. These ones are not as easy to see in the directions. So All right, so we're going to put that on, and then one of your corner pieces is going to go on the smaller brown piece, and then your blue piece will go on to that corner piece. And then you just make sure that this is facing up and out. Okay, so now it looks like you are going to, you'll want to take this here, your big one, the big green leaf, and put that on the top here. So if you can see these two top piece, so leave those there, and then put another brown piece right here, and then the leaf on the side. Oh, you're going to want to get a corner piece for that. Can you see that? So if you guys can see, like my eyes keep shifting to my computer, because my computer, I can tell whether or not you guys can see, but with the dot cam, it's looking right at me, but I'm trying to pay attention to my computer to make sure you guys can see me okay. So there's that. And then we are going to take a brown piece, a long brown piece, and a light brown piece. And we are going to put that in the middle as well. And then the shorter one here. Oops. Long one, short one. And then put the green wheel type thing up on the top. And it looks like, okay. Oh, I see. Okay. So now we're going to take the triangular pieces and we're going to snap those together. A little hard to put in to snap. Hopefully you guys can get them. Oh, I did this one upside down. And this last one, and then you're going to make this into your roof, just like this. And then you can put your gear piece on the top. I keep saying you're going to, but you know, you guys, like I said, be creative. You know, figure out what works, what doesn't work. You know, part of the engineering process is rebuilding, redesigning, coming up with new ideas, things that may work better. That's all part of it. And it's part of, you know, thinking critically and problem solving. Those are important skills that you're going to need in life. It's really, really important that you don't just give up, and that if something doesn't work, you try hard to fix it. So let's see. So now we have these. And let's see. I feel like we are missing stuff here. What am I missing? Okay. So we got, oh, okay. So this, oh, there's another piece that must extend. There is. There's another piece that extends. So one of them extends outward. Okay. So on the side here, it looks like this piece extends out, but it doesn't seem like it stays very well. But anyway, you can try that, because it looks like you put the ladder right on that. There we go. See how the ladder goes right here? So there's your ladder. And then, oops, let me twist that and actually bump it up a little bit more. There we go. Okay. So that will actually help to keep it sturdy too. By putting the ladder on there, it seems like it helps to keep it a little sturdier than what it was. And then on the other side, you can put your, okay, so here, on this thing right here on the shorter brown piece, put another corner piece on there, and then put a brown piece, a long brown piece on that one. And then you put a leaf there. We have a leaf here. I don't know where the other leaf is supposed to go. Hopefully you guys can figure it out. It looks to me like there are only two, you only need 2 small leaves, but, oh, I see it. I see it. But that does not, I'm just going to keep mine off for now. How's that? I'm going to keep mine off. All right, and then now you have your bucket again. We can put this up on the side. Probably should have turned this. Maybe if we turn this, oh no, that's gonna have to work that way, isn't it? So it looks to me like this time I can't hook this blue piece. I'm not going to be able to hook this blue piece here to the side because I have this the wrong way. So this is a great way to show you that this needs to be redone. This needs to be redesigned because clearly I put them on the wrong side so that this piece here, can you see that? I hope you can. So where you connect it, you're going to want to connect it here. But you have this ladder already here. So maybe what you want to do, think about what you could do different. Could you put it on a different side? Could you take this out and rebuild this piece and turn it a certain way so that you can make sure that this goes in and the ladder is able to go up? So again, reconstruct and figure out if you can do things different. So for now, I'm going to keep it here. If you can see, I'm going to probably keep it on this. Now, even though you're not going to see my face, I'm going to tilt this down so you guys can see it better. Okay. So now everything is all set up here, and Joe can get on. It's too bad that this long brown, that the short brown one doesn't have a place where you can put this in. Okay, well, for now, because it's a little unsturdy. You guys will probably notice that it's unsturdy and one side is heavier than the other. So, again, redesign. Okay, so now Joe is up here. Joe, he allegedly got up with his ladder, but for now, it's not working. So Joe gets up here, and we take this, you take your rope, and you can pull up your bucket again. So you can carry things up. You can pull things up to the top of your treehouse. Get things down at the bottom. Say we have like another friend that puts stuff in, and then Joe's up there yanking it up. So you can put food in there, drinks in there, anything. That's a good way of lifting things up onto the top, into the top of your treehouse. So that is it, you guys. I hope that you guys really enjoyed this engineering and design kit. I'm going to pull that up a little bit. But I hope you guys really enjoyed it and had a lot of fun. I will be getting out another kit to you. So every 2 weeks, you guys will get a new kit to use. And there will be videos that go along with them. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the bopper. The first 2 weeks, you guys had the bopper. And then for 2 weeks, you guys will have this, and so you guys can follow along with the videos to build all of these things. And then 2 weeks after that, you guys will get another kit, and so on. So all the way pretty much until the end of the school year. So I hope you guys are enjoying them, and I'll see you guys soon. I'll talk to you soon. Have a great day.